Hi everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that's vital for our overall health. Our kidneys. These bean-shaped organs are crucial for filtering waste and toxins from our blood, maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance, and supporting overall well-being. However, many of us might not be aware of how we can naturally support our kidney health through our diet. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 superfoods that can help heal and protect your kidneys. So, let's get started. Number 1 are blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants. These tiny berries help reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. They're a great snack and can be easily added to your smoothies, oatmeal, or salads. Number 2 on the list are cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, which can spread to the kidneys. They contain compounds that prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls. Try incorporating fresh cranberries or unsweetened cranberry juice into your diet. Number 3, red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and high in vitamins A, C, and B6. These vitamins and antioxidants support overall kidney function and reduce inflammation. Add them to your salads, stir-fries, or enjoy them as a crunchy snack. Number 4, we have garlic. Garlic is a powerhouse of antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps lower cholesterol and blood pressure, reducing the burden on your kidneys. Incorporate fresh garlic into your cooking to reap its benefits. Number 5, cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable packed with vitamins C, K, and B, and fiber. It helps detoxify the kidneys by supporting the liver in neutralizing toxins. Enjoy it steamed, roasted, or even as a low-carb alternative to rice. Number 6, delicious apples. An apple a day can indeed keep the doctor away, especially when it comes to kidney health. Apples are high in fiber and have anti-inflammatory properties. They can help reduce cholesterol and improve kidney function. Enjoy them as a snack or add them to your salads and desserts. Number 7, onions. Onions are low in potassium and high in chromium, which helps in metabolizing fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. This makes them beneficial for kidney health. Use onions as a base in your cooking for added flavor and health benefits. Number 8, kale. Kale is a nutrient-dense superfood that offers antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and detoxifying compounds. It supports overall kidney health and is incredibly versatile. Add kale to your smoothies, salads, or sauté it as a side dish. Number 9, delicious strawberries. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, manganese, and fiber. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Enjoy strawberries fresh in your smoothies or as a topping for your yogurt or cereal. And lastly, number 10, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in fiber and essential vitamins like beta-carotene. They help balance electrolyte levels and reduce the strain on your kidneys. Bake, roast, or mash them for a delicious and kidney-friendly meal. There you have it, the top 10 superfoods that can help heal and protect your kidneys. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a significant difference in your kidney health and overall well-being. Remember, a balanced diet rich in these nutrient-dense foods, along with proper hydration and a healthy lifestyle, is key to maintaining healthy kidneys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.